Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up air purifier by TCL with your smartphone. And to do this, first we'll need to download TCL Home, which you can find on Google Play Store or any other store that you're using on your smartphone. When it's installed, open the app. Inside we can go to the Home and click on Add Device. Then scroll down and find your air purifier. In this case, I'm using this one. And then first step is to connect our purifier with the power source and make sure that it's powered off during the setup, at least at the first step. Then press and hold the speed button for 3 seconds until the device makes a sound. And I can't show you the button exactly. Probably you won't see it. Yeah, so there's a speed button right underneath the power button. So we need to click and hold it for 3 seconds. Now it makes a sound. And then a Wi-Fi icon should start blinking. We can click on next. And it's blinking for sure. It will search for that device. So it seems that my smartphone just found this device. Now we can connect it with the network. So select whichever network you like and enter the password. So everything is completed. We can change our device name, also the room that it's located, and enable or disable automatic firmware update. Let's click on remote. And the setup is finished. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.